What's up, gang? It's your boy Big Country, and I'm back with another video. Today's gonna be my first ride to work, y'all. And man, it is like 81 degrees in St. Louis. Man, I'm finna get it in while I can. Cause you know the weather in St. Louis is kind of iffy, you know what I'm saying? It may be hot one day, the next day it may be snowing. You never know in St. Louis. But right now, it's sunny skies. And man, when I say the sun is out, the sun is out. And I'm finna get on the bike and I'm gonna ride to work and I'm gonna take y'all along with me, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to mount up and get this ride in, y'all. So I hope y'all having a great day today. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do some things, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all help your boy out, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. So I'm finna mount up and get this ride on.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
What's up, gang? This your boy Big Country, and I hope y'all enjoyed the riding video today. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, man. You know what I'm saying? So support your boy. You know what I'm saying? I can get some more content, riding videos out there for you, y'all. Okay. Until next time, peace.